Today I will show you how to fix StarCraft Remastered options menu. First I'll launch the game normally so I can recreate the issue. The game takes a while to launch, so we have to be patient for a bit. Okay, so the game launches normally, but when we click the options menu, the screen remains like this. It's grayed out, you cannot do anything, you cannot hit escape, it's stuck like this, you can't do anything. So Alt F4 in order to close the game. Now we have to navigate where the game was installed. It's best if you install it directly in the C drive. So C StarCraft Remastered x86 x64. Now here we have to open a PowerShell window, hold Shift key, press right click and open PowerShell window here. Now all we have to do is type in /starcraft.exe -launch and hit enter. And now we have to wait again for the game to start. It takes a while. Okay, so now options and everything works. And that's it. Now we can close this,